All Pro Exterior Services here again. Finally getting some video footage. I know, I'm sorry guys. Anyway, we're here today. Got another gutter call. So I'm gonna be doing this gutter in the valleys. See how they got pine straw buildup. All the gutters here. They do have leaf guards, so we're not taking those off and cleaning them. We're just gonna get on the roof, do a quick blow, and clean all the debris off. Clean it up here, maybe spray it in somewhere in the yard, and get out of here. And I charging more now for my gutters because I don't really like doing them too much, but people still saying yes to it. So if it's something you're looking to get into, it's not a bad option. But this is the scope of the project here. So we got gutters all around, but it's not a steep roof, so we're in luck there. So anyway, let us get hooked up. We got to get the big ladder out and find our mount point and roll on. All right, catch up. Peace. All right, guys, got Anthony. My main Anthony on the roof getting it done. We got this ladder. I'm also gonna hit him up for a house wash. All these, you see all the back is green. Nice little property. A little swampy. Got these cypress trees with all these knees on it. This is some high-end money in this neighborhood. It's close to a lakefront, close to a local lakefront. It's all green over here too. So yeah, we got some opportunity here. There you go, coming down, baby. Coming down. That's money. That's money. All right, guys. Let me help Tony out, and we're gonna finish the job up pretty quick and try to catch one more for the end of the day. Peace. 15 minutes, 20 minutes max. We're done. He's just blowing off the porch. See the dust. We just gotta grab our ladder, and I put it in bags. I'm gonna put it right by their trash can so they know we came. And I already texted the guy, so he's on it. And you know, sometimes these ladders are tricky trying to get them away from the gutters. We try not to lean our ladder on the gutter. We don't want it to touch the gutter. They could be a loose gutter. We just don't want no problems. So in this situation, in order to avoid hitting the gutter with this is a 28-foot ladder. We went in the corner and straddled the corner, so it works perfect. So just a free nugget today. You like the free nuggets? All right, peace. Job. We're gonna go ahead and catch this flat work driveway, all the facials. We're not doing a whole house, just the facials. They got some organic growth all the way around the house. Nice little ticket. Tony, let me see that gun. We'll show you guys an update on the gun. I'm gonna turn these charges over. We got a new DST Davis shooter tip holder and our old shooter tip. So we got this and I put a 2-inch. It's a 2-inch by 1/4 inch galvanized nipple to make the M5 twist a little longer, so this don't interfere with the fan pattern. And I hard screwed it in, so I kind of got it set up like that. So now I don't have to carry two things. I can just switch. Look at that thing. That thing's a beast. And you can get that from Kyle Davis shooter tip on the internet. You can get the shooter tip and the holder. They got multiple ones, but this is we're gonna try to set up today. Just put it together. Just got it in the mail, so last night. So all right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and do our pre-treat with Downstream. And this is Tony's show, so I'm just helping him out today. Tony, Anthony. All right, catch up. Me on the Downstream. I'm trying to let him run this whole project. I'm acting like I'm not here. I'm just overwatching him. Did everything correctly so far, so he's acting like he's been paying attention. He's doing a very good job. He's backing his back up to the car so he don't overspray on the car. That's just good techniques that come with experience. Yeah, he's getting it done. You don't need much of a Downstream. You just want that stuff to soak in a little bit, you know. He's doing a good job. Already got this pre-soaked. He's going to start at the low side. And he's getting it. He's getting it. Got that eliminator in there. Soaking up really nice. It's hard for me not to work though, you know what I mean? I just gotta be doing something. So I'm gonna let him do this, but I'm gonna spray that up when we're done. So, but yeah, it's coming together. The rig's doing well. Just an update on that. There you go, Tony. And anyway, so let me go make sure he does everything. But the rig's doing well. I'm adding another 75 foot of Flexzilla as a spare, just to have it. The other day I needed it. And I don't know if I showed you guys this, but I put a Y in the feed of the water, and I got a 10-foot Flexzilla hose with a Gilmore on it. See the Y right there? And that way, if I need to shoot water or something, spill bleach, I can spray down. All right, guys, let me catch up. Peace. Doing well. Almost finished the driveway. Been about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. We cut in. We try to cut in first, like around the corners and everything. And the reason we're doing this first is because anytime you do this after, you still splash up on the front, you know, on the house. So we decided that we're going to do this first, and then when we wash the facials, I can rinse all that off, and that way it's all clean. So we're doing very well. A circular motion, no lines, works perfect. My plan is to get him on a skid, and he's going to be doing a lot of flat work, so I want to make sure he's proficient and understands everything, which he does. He just got to get into his zone. So he's good. He's good. He got this under control. All right, guys and girls, catch up with you in a minute. Peace. Spacious now. Got a little wind blowing. It's all right. We got the beast out today, so we're just gonna hit him pretty good. I'm gonna spray them windows for him, help him out. Uh-oh, getting stuck. Yeah, that's good, Tony. I mean, yeah, just be careful with it. So we're just gonna hit this. Watch yourself, Tony. Hit that pole. Let that marinate. Let's see if we can get in the back, and then we'll hit it. All right, guys, I'm gonna let this soak for about 10 minutes. Rinse, be done, roll. Catch up with you in the back room. Back at the house, dropping some water. I like to keep it a little bit above the, about right there. So let's go ahead and shut it down. And I'm also thinking about adding another bulkhead fitting right here. Well, on the side probably, but on this section, come down with a ball valve. So when we leave a job, we just crack that ball valve. The water level would always stop here, instead of having to get out in the truck and close the ball valve before we run out of water. Anyway, that's it for today. I want to say prayers out to my boy Deary and his family. Thinking about your brother. And please call, like, sub, comment. Peace.